Debt is one of the most suffocating feelings a person can carry. It follows you to bed at night. It is the first thing on your mind when you wake up. It sits quietly in the background of every purchase, every paycheck, every moment you should be enjoying, whispering that you are behind. That you are losing. That there is no way out. But here is what they do not tell you. Debt is not a life sentence. It is a math problem. And math problems have solutions. Millions of people have climbed out of debt, some from tens of thousands of dollars, not because they got lucky, but because they followed a clear, disciplined plan and refused to quit. Today, that is exactly what we are going to give you. Before you can fight debt, you need to face it completely. No avoiding. No guessing. Sit down and write out every single debt you owe. The balance. The interest rate. The minimum monthly payment. Every credit card. Every loan. Every amount owed to anyone. Most people carry a vague, uncomfortable sense of how much they owe. That vagueness is the enemy. The moment you put real numbers on paper, the problem stops being a monster in the dark, and becomes something you can actually attack. Something with edges. Something with an end. Face the number. Own it. Then get ready to destroy it. Once you have the full picture, you choose your strategy. And there are two proven methods that have helped millions break free. The first is the debt snowball. Line up your debts from smallest to largest. Attack the smallest one first with everything you have, while paying minimums on the rest. When that debt is gone, you roll that payment into the next one. Your momentum builds like a snowball downhill. The psychology is powerful. Every eliminated debt is a win. And wins keep you going when motivation runs low. This method is built for people who need to feel progress to keep pushing, and there is nothing wrong with that. The second strategy is the debt avalanche. You target the debt with the highest interest rate first, regardless of the balance. Mathematically, this saves you the most money over time. Less interest paid. Faster total payoff overall. If you are someone motivated by numbers and logic rather than quick emotional wins, this is your method. Now here is the honest truth. Neither strategy is wrong. The best one is simply the one you will actually stick to. Choose it. Commit to it. Write it on paper. Put it somewhere you will see every single day. Because what gets tracked gets attacked, and what gets attacked, eventually